Did you know that some of the world's biggest companies come from a very small room, very small idea, and a lot of courage? Today, many of such ideas are coming from India. So, question is arises: is India emerging as a global startup hub? Hello everyone, this is Sarah and welcome to my podcast. In next few minutes, I will talk on what is Startup Hub is, what is Unicorn Startup, and how real Indian companies like Flipkart and Zomato is proving that India is rising globally. And later on, I'll talk on a future outlook of India. So let us begin by understanding what a startup hub is. A startup hub is a place where new business ideas are born, support and turn into a successful companies. Countries like United States and China have been famous for many years, but now India is rapidly joining the list. In last few years, India has shown massive growth in the startups. Today, India has over 1 lakh registered startups, making it one of the top 3 ecosystems in the world after the China and the United States. So this clearly shows India's strong position on the global stage. And yes, Indian startups can also compete on an international level. Let us understand this by taking an example of Flipkart. It was started in 2007 as a small online bookstore and run by two engineers from Bangalore, but now today it is a global e-commerce giant and was acquired by Walmart over billions of dollars. Similarly, Zomato was a small food review website and now today it is serving as a global food delivery platform and operating in several countries. So this proves that Indian startups can also compete on an international level. Another supporting factor is digital growth and technology. Affordable smartphone, internet, and digital payment system like UPI have made it easier to start and run the business. Startups like Flipkart and Blinkit are great example who had gained global recognition. Government has also played strong and important role. Initiatives like Startup India, Digital India, and Make in India provide funding support, tax benefits, and easier registration. These steps encourage entrepreneurs to take risk and to innovate. Moreover, India has become house for many unicorn startups. Unicorn startup is a private company in which its value exceeds over 1 billions of dollar. So this shows that India is not just started well but also scaling globally. One major reason behind this is India's young and large population. In most of the India population is under the age of 35 years, and young people are full of creativity and innovation. They are no longer looking for job but they want to create the job, and this mindset helps in startups in the field of education, health and finance. Now let's take a future outlook of India if it is continuously growing like this. Many experts had estimated that India could see about 600 billion in investment and grow and expanding globally. There's a recent news that government has launched semiconductor mission 2.0 with rupees 40,000 crore to make India a global chip hub and hardware tech ecosystem. Looking ahead, India is not just started well but also scaling globally. Analysts predicts that India could receive hundreds of billions of dollars in investment and turn into a major global powerhouse by 2030. But however, challenges still exist. Startups face challenges like tough competition, funding difficulties, and irregulatory issues. But with growing experiences, better policies, and global investor interest, India is overcoming these challenges. So, is India emerging as a global startup hub? The answer is yes. The people of India are no longer looking for job but they want to create the job. With strong determination and dedication, India is truly emerging as a global startup hub. I hope you liked my podcast. Thank you for listening.